Guys, welcome to another fantastic video. So guys, if you have been looking for ways to make money using PayPal arbitrage, then watch this video till the end. Now if you don't know what PayPal arbitrage is, that is where you buy PayPal funds and you sell them on a platform. This platform I'm going to show you, their rate here is super high. You sell it here and you make profit. So let's say you buy PayPal funds for 1,200 per dollar and you come over here and sell it for 1,600. You make 400 naira profit on each PayPal funds you get. So let's do a little mathematics so that you see exactly how this thing is actually very profitable. So I'm going to open my calculator right here. So let's say I have like a $400 right here, and I times that with, let's say I bought this for 1.2. That will give us, you pay the person 480,000. Now that same $400, if you multiply it by 1.6, if you multiply it by 1.6, you're going to see that you're going to get 640,000 naira. Now if you say 640,000 minus 480,000 naira, that will give you 160,000 naira profits. Guys, this thing is not just me making it up. This thing is actually something that works, and I've actually been benefiting from this. That's exactly why I'm bringing it to you guys, so that you're going to know exactly how it works. So for you to do this thing, you need some account first of all. So you need to first of all have a good PayPal account, which is something you see on the screen here, and you also need to have this account, Geegpay.africa. Now if you don't want to use Geegpay.africa, you can also use this platform called Grail.co, or you also use this one called Get Clever. So all of these accounts will give you a USD account, and you can actually link all this account to your PayPal and withdraw money into them, so that whenever you buy those PayPal funds for lower amount or lesser amount, you can even buy for 1.3, you can even buy for 1.4. As long as you're not buying up to 1.6, you're going to make profits. Okay, so whenever you have all of those things, you can go ahead to sell on all these platforms. So Grail.co is actually same thing with actually has the same features with Geegpay.africa. But I decided to use Geegpay.africa because of a lot of reasons. I've compared these platforms on my channel, so make sure you go ahead to check out my channel to get all the information you need to know. So this is Grail.co. They give you accounts in pounds, euros, naira, and US dollars. So it's actually the same thing with Geegpay.africa. And Get Clever actually will give you accounts in USD, and their rates are good as well. This Grail.co, their rates are also good, but this happens to be one of the best platform I have found or that I've used so far, and that is why I'll continue to use them. Now if I have any problem with them in the future, I'm going to come out and say it. So as you can see here with Get Clever, their rate is also the same, 1,605, while at Geegpay is at 1,608 per dollar. So once you have this PayPal fund bought, you can now transfer the money to these platforms and sell immediately. You can go ahead to click on convert it to NGN, and you withdraw and you have your profit. Now like I said, for you to have this account, you need some accounts. For you to be able to start this business, arbitrage business, you need some accounts. The first account you need is a bank account. Now if you go ahead if I go to this finance and go to banks and cards, you're going to see that I have linked some banks to this platform that I currently use. As you can see here, this is Wells Fargo, and this is account that I got from Geegpay.africa, sending with 5602. If I come here to this account section in Geegpay, you're gonna see this is the USD account that I'm currently using. I think my network is not allowing it to load completely, so that I can show you exactly how it is. But my account, this Wells Fargo account, was gotten from Geegpay.africa, and I've been able to link the platform, so I can now withdraw money into this section. As you can see, it's ending with 5602. This is my account number here, ending with 5602. And if you come over here, you're going to see this account end with 5602. It's a Wells Fargo account. And if you come over here and check, you're going to see that it's a Wells Fargo bank, which is what I'm saying here, Wells Fargo bank. So guys, this thing actually works. So you convert your funds from USD to NGN and you have your profits. Now how can you get PayPal funds? You buy them from people. You buy from people that want to sell. Buy from freelancers that don't know how to withdraw their funds from PayPal. Buy from a lot of people. You can go online to forums like Naira Land. I've dropped a lot of video here. You can go to forums like this, Naira Land. People are out there trying to look for who can buy PayPal funds, their PayPal funds for good rates. You can decide to buy for 1.3, 1.4, and you're coming here to sell for 1.6. You're coming to this Grail and Geegpay.africa or whichever one you decide to use later on, you can come here to pay, sell it for 1.6 and have your profit. So now, like I said, you can get these funds from anybody, Facebook groups, Naira land, but you have to be very careful because this thing is actually very risky, because you can fall into the hands of people that want to scam you. So make sure you don't send out payment to anybody until they have sent you money to your PayPal, and you want to make sure you are very genuine, because as genuine as you are, that's the amount of customer or clients you are going to be getting that want to sell these funds to you. So if you're not genuine, if you're using it as a medium to deprive people of their money, to scam people of their money, then you're not going to get further, or you're not going to go anywhere in this business. This business is all about trust, and you must make sure you build your trust level to high esteem, so that you can show people your transaction, your screenshots, everything. They are going to believe you and sell funds to you. Very simple. So once you have your account here, you have to request for a USD account. Once you have your account, you take all those information, come to this banks and card, click on add a bank, and you now go ahead to try as much as possible to link that bank to PayPal. Now once you've linked your bank to PayPal, and PayPal do all their confirmation and everything, has to confirm the card, you confirm it, then you can now go ahead to source for PayPal funds, which is exactly what I told you before, that you can source for PayPal funds from Naira, from Facebook groups, from Instagram. You can source Payoneer funds. I'm going to show you how to do it Payoneer later on, but this is how you can do PayPal arbitrage. Simple. Okay, so now once you've gotten the funds into your PayPal account, then you can go ahead to now withdraw the funds into your bank account. And once the money touch into your bank account, it's going to show up. It's going to take actually roughly 1 to 3 business days. You need to keep conversant with all of these things. Now once the money drop to this NGN, to this USD, then you go ahead to convert it to NGN. And on high rate, this is their rate. Every day their rate changes, so I don't know what the rate is at the time we're watching this video, but this is their rate currently. And once you convert it with the high rate, you can now keep the difference as your profits. Guys, this is how you go about the business. There's no other way around it. This is how you do PayPal arbitrage. Very simple, very direct, and a good lucrative business, but very risky as well. So you need to combine everything and make sure you are doing the right thing. Okay, so guys, if you need any other information from me, maybe you don't understand the business model, you want me to explain more, I'll be in the comment section trying to solve all your problems. Okay, now before you go ahead to start collecting funds, make sure you have your account set up, no problem, and you have linked a bank. Don't go and create a PayPal account and start collecting funds even when you have not linked a bank. There is no need, because the account might get banned, or you might encounter issues, and you now have people funds locked up on your account. Make sure you have created a PayPal business account, just like I'm going to show you how to create a legit PayPal business account like the one I'm using, and you have created your bank account and you have linked the platforms. Now once you have done that, you can now go ahead to start. If you want to start small. Don't go the first one and start to look for $3,000 to convert. No, start with $10, $20, $50 and upwards. So start small, and as you start, you're building history for your PayPal account. Your PayPal account is not going to enter into problems, and you can go ahead to now use the account for a very long time. So this is how you do PayPal funds arbitrage. Nothing, no other secrets behind it. Everything you need to know, I've said it in this video. Now if you want any other help from me, then you need to reach out to me, and I will consider giving you help if I want to. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'm very excited I was able to share this video with you guys, and I'm sure you gain 1 or 2 things from this video. Like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. Thank you very much.